Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discuss regarding concrete. What is concrete? The mixture of cement, sand and aggregate with water is known as concrete. Concrete is used for the casting of slab, column, footing, etc. Ingredients of concrete: cement, sand, aggregate, water. Property of concrete: strength, durability, permeability, fire resistance. The discuss property of concrete step by step. First, strength. The strength is major property of the concrete. The concrete is weak in tension and good in compression. To increase the strength of concrete, a good material and proper casting should be done. The concrete should be bear the maximum compression load. Second, durability. The ability of concrete to resist weathering action, chemical attack and abrasion will maintaining the property of concrete. Different concrete required the different degree of durability depending on the environment. The rapid chloride permeability in a electrical test used to determine the durability of the concrete. Third, permeability. The ability of concrete to allow the liquid or gases to pass throughout it is known as the permeability of the concrete. Permeability is the major factor because it influences the durability. If the concrete is more permeable, it affects the strength of the concrete. The VAC V1 gas permeability measurement device is used to measure it. Fourth, fire resistance. The material which resists the fire is known as fire resistance. The concrete is non-combustible material and it has low rate of increase in temperature across the section. The component of concrete such as cement and aggregate are chemically inert and mostly non-combustible. The concrete possesses the slow rate of heat transfer. Types of concrete: plain or ordinary concrete, reinforced concrete, precast concrete, prestressed concrete, ready-mix concrete, fiber reinforced concrete, self-healing concrete.
First, plain concrete. The normal or ordinary mixture of cement, sand, and aggregates in an appropriate proportion. It is called as or it is known as the plain concrete or ordinary concrete. Basically, this type of concrete is used for the footings, slabs, and in concrete roads. Second, reinforced concrete. In simple words, the concrete in which steel is added or used is termed as the reinforced concrete. As we know that concrete is good in compression and weak in tension. So, to enhance the tensile strength of the concrete, the steel is used in it. That is known as the reinforced concrete. Third, precast concrete. Precast concrete is a construction product produced by casting concrete in a reusable mold or form. It have many advantages. It saves the money and time of the construction work. Fourth, pre-stressed concrete. The method of providing the pre-compression in concrete is known as the pre-stress method. Pre-stressing reduces the volume of the concrete required into the construction. Fifth, ready-mix concrete. Nowadays, for the major construction projects, the ready-mixed concrete is used. It is manufactured in a batch plant according to the requirement. This concrete is ready to use, so it saves the time and construction becomes fast. Sixth, fiber reinforced concrete. The plain concrete in which the fibrous material is used, that is known as the fiber reinforced concrete. The fibrous material is used to control the cracks. Seventh, self-healing concrete. The concrete which heals itself, that is known as the self-healing concrete. In the concrete mixture, mostly 20 to 30% of the cement left unhydrated. And in future, if crack formation occurs at that time, the unhydrated grains comes in contact with the moisture. And again the hydration process starts. And it automatically fills up the cracks. Due to this type of nature, this concrete is named as the self-healing concrete. The different tests on the concrete. First, compression test. Second, slump cone test. Third, modulus of elasticity. Fourth, permeability test. Now, we'll briefly discuss about the two important tests on the concrete one by one. First, compression test. The compressive testing machine is used to the compression test of the concrete. Also that the compression value can be determined by the ratio of load to the cross-sectional area and its SI unit is Newton per mm square. Second, slump cone test. To check the workability of the concrete, this test is conducted. The dimension of the slump cone apparatus is the bottom diameter is of 20 centimeter, the top diameter is of 10 centimeter, and the height of it is 30 centimeter. Now we'll see the procedure of slump cone test. First, the slump cone apparatus is placed on the smooth surface. Then the freshly mixed concrete is placed in it in 3 layers. Each layer is stamped with 25 times of a 16 mm diameter of the bar. If cone is filled completely, level the top surface. Then the cone is slowly lifted in a vertical position. The decrease in height of the center of slumped concrete is called as the slump. The slump is measured by placing the cone beside the slump concrete. The height is measured by the scale. As per the IS 456-2000, the slump value should be in between the 50 to 100 mm. After the test, we can observe the 3 to 4 types of the slumps. First, true slump, second, shear slump, collapse slump, and zero slump. Now we'll move on the last part of this PPT, that is grades of the concrete. The grade of concrete ranges in between the M10 up to the M80, whereas M letter indicates the mixed design. The proportion of the ingredients is known as the mixed design. The number after the letter M indicates the compressive strength of the concrete after 28 days of curing. It is in Newton per mm square. And today here we end with the concrete part. Thank you.